สวัสดีค่ะ Welcome back to Gail's Little Kitchen. Today I'm gonna show you how to make green papaya salad or Som Tam. Som Tam is one of the famous dishes in Thailand. It can be spicy, sweet, and sour. So if you don't like spicy, just don't add chili in. And to make sure, you have to get green papaya, not yellow papaya. This papaya I got from Chinese supermarket. Sometimes I saw in Tesco as well, but make sure you get green. If you don't have, you can't find papaya, you can use sweet. One of my lovely friends recommend me to use sweet instead of papaya. They taste really similar, but it's cheaper. Like this one I bought from supermarket is about like 8 pounds something, just only one papaya. I know in Thailand, this papaya, it grows anywhere and it's free. So gonna show you how to do it. For the papaya salad, I'm gonna use papaya and one of carrot to mix together with papaya. And I have cherry tomatoes, 4 or 5 them or 6, it depends. If you like it more, you put it more. And green beans, I have about like 7 or 8 of them. And peanuts here, and plum sugar, lime juice, fish sauce, and 2 chilies. Usually I put 1 or 2, and 2 or 3, 4 cloves of garlic. Usually they have another ingredients that is called dry shrimps, but because I couldn't find it, so today I'm gonna skip dry shrimp. You can have it or you don't have it, that is fine. It's not a big deal. So now I'm gonna start with papaya. We need to peel first all the skin. You can use the peeler if you want, but I'm okay with a knife. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to do the sweet as well. Okay, and same thing, need to peel the skin off. Okay, after I peel papaya and sweet, I need to wash it properly. Okay, after I washed papaya, and now we need to shade it. In the traditional way, this is the way we do. Hold it tight and just use the knife. Just really be careful to chop, 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 chop like that. And then slide. To become like this. Or you can use a grater so to do that as well. But I got special tool that my friends got me. This is for papaya. So it's really easy. You just go like that. Or you can use this. They're just a little bit different because for the grater, they become like really thin. But if I do with the knife like this, chop, 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 and then slice, they become thin as well, but need to slice a bit longer. But this tool is so much easier. And you can find this in the Asian supermarket. I think in this day you can buy from Amazon, like online. This one is just so much easier. When you slide papaya, just please be careful because they got lots of seed inside, so we don't want seed to come out on your bowl. I think that it should be enough because I'm gonna mix with carrots, so I don't need the whole thing. I'm gonna show you for sweet as well. This sweet, so we're gonna do the same thing. You can cut half, cut. But sweet is really hard when you somebody call an ambulance. Gonna have to be really, really careful. So cut in 4. because it's easier. And then you can use the grater as well. Do the same thing, so they become go like that. So, but I like a little bit longer, so I'm gonna use this. Okay, now I got shredded papaya and shredded sweet, and now we need carrots. I'm gonna share between two. I can use with this one. I'm gonna show you what's the difference between that special tools and the grater. Okay, that should be okay. And I'm gonna use for this one. That done. Just want to show you these two things for papaya, to slice papaya. They look like the peeler, except they got kind of like teeth here, like grater. So, but it's more easier than to use this one. But if you have this at home, just use this one. This pestle and mortar is for, sometimes they have the smaller one, and this one is the tall one. Is suitable for when they do papaya salad in Thailand, because the papaya, when we put everything in, they become like bigger. So they use the deep one, the deep mortar. So it's kind of easy to do papaya. So I'm gonna start with 2 garlic. So I need to peel that out, but I'm gonna heat it in here, smash it in here, and then take the skin out. Okay. Now I put 2 garlic in here, and then 1 chili. If you like spicy, 2 or more, or 3, 4. It's up to you, but I'm gonna go just 1 first. So that smash them together. As you can see, just like that. And then I'm gonna add palm sugar. I don't have like, the soft one. So this one become like a really, the hard one, but I have to break it a little bit. So I'm gonna put this in first. 1. I think 1 spoon, that should be enough for now. To maybe a bit more. Okay. Until the palm sugar is soft like that. Yeah. For garlic, chili, and palm sugar. And then I'm gonna put the green beans. I put just break in half. Just break them a little bit, just like that. And then gonna add fish sauce. 1, 2. Lime juice. I use the fresh limes and then squeeze it. So this is 1, 2. I'm gonna go for just 2 for now each, and then I'll taste it and see if I need any more. I'll put some more. Now you just have to be careful. Don't like hit it so hard, because all the juice will come out to your face. Okay, you mix them together. Make sure all the palm sugar, no lump for palm sugar. So you're gonna have the juice like that. I'm gonna taste a little bit. See? Really nice. It's just sour enough. sweet enough for me. Some people, they like to put tomato after green beans before papaya and, mix together. But for me, I like to put papaya first because I don't like to break the tomato. It's too juicy. I want don't want to break it too much. So I'm going to start with papaya first. So I'm going to take all papaya in. Okay. Then mix all together. Use the spoon to turn it over. You don't have to heat so hard. It just only smash it a little bit to get all the salt in the papaya. Okay. And then I'm gonna put the tomato. Just cut half like that. Ooh, nearly cut my finger.
That ambulance again.
Maybe one more. And I'll save the rest for the next one. Okay. Now mix all together. I'm gonna add the peanuts a little bit first to mix in. It's just push it down like that. Don't need to hit it so hard. I think that's it. Done. Make my mouth watery. I love papaya salad. When I was young, I always have 3-4 times a week because it's easy to find anywhere. Okay. And now I'm gonna sprinkle more on the peanuts. Okay, here you go. This is green papaya salad or Som Tam. But I'm gonna show you, if you don't have papaya, I'm gonna show you with sweet. And if you don't have pesto and mortar like me, like I got one here, I'm gonna show you adapt it with something else. Ta-da-dan! You can use this, the plastic bowl with rolling pin, like when you do the pastry. And the sweet here, one sweet cost me about I think 78p. But if compare with green papaya, it cost me about nearly 9 pounds. But I will show you that you can substitute with sweet as well if you fancy. It's the same thing, but because of the plastic bowl, it won't be as strong as the mortar there. So I'm gonna have to be really careful. So I'm gonna peel the garlic a little bit. If you don't like too much garlic, sometimes the really strong smell, so you can have just 1 or 2, yeah, and 1 chili here. So do it gently. It might take time because you can't do it too fast or too hard, but it will do all the work. But if you don't have rolling pin at home, you can just use the chopping board and knife and heat it with the knife and chop it, and then you can mix it in the bowl. But if you have this at home, just use it. Okay, and now is the difficult part because palm sugar is really hard, so gonna have to put all. It's like a 1.5 tablespoon. So now this not. Oh, sorry. So now this not. Oh, sorry. I'm gonna use a little bit of 1 tablespoon of lime juice to help out. So I have to do this way. You can't hit it too hard. You have to push it down. Okay, that's work. Oh, forgot to mention about Som Tam. It will taste good with sticky rice if you have sticky rice to eat with, or khanom jeen. Khanom jeen is a different kind of thin noodles. So next time I will show you how to do khanom jeen and the sticky rice. Okay, make sure it's no lump on. Okay, and now because I already add 1 tablespoon of lime juice to help out, I'm gonna add more later, but I'm gonna put the green bean first. Smash it. Okay, that's it. Okay, I already put 1 tablespoon, so I'm gonna add another one more, and 1, 2. And just mix like that. Okay. Now I'm gonna add all of sweet and carrots. Okay. Just mix it. Okay, let me try, and then I'm gonna put the tomato. Let me taste first. A little bit too sweet. I'm gonna add a little bit of this lime juice. Okay. So actually 3 tablespoons, because I put a lot of palm sugar as well. And now, cut in here better to be safe. Okay, put it in. And then some of the peanuts. Okay, mix it. My chili is really spicy. Even I put just 1. So, okay. Okay, and the nuts on top. Here you go. This green papaya salad or som tam, and this one is sweet carrot salad. So they look really similar and they taste really similar as well, but the price different, big different. So now time to taste. Mm. 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 A little bit spicy for me. But chili is really spicy. So next time I probably put half. Tastes gorgeous. Lovely. They make me want to make the sticky rice. And I'm gonna taste the sweet now. They're so much similar. Sometimes it's difficult to find green papaya, so I recommend sweet. You can find in any local supermarket, and you can do Thai salad like this at home and enjoy with your family. So hope you like this video, and thank you for watching, and don't forget my recipe and quantity in the PDF in the description. So see you next time. Thank you. Bye bye.